having dinner cooked right in front of us. This is at Tokyo Jo's, and this is fresh wok cooking right in front of you. Doesn't get any fresher, doesn't get any hotter. We really like it here.
Any garlic or ginger? Who is coming next? Let's step around. You're up.
Well, you can feel the heat from the flame when he turns it on. So buffet style, you pick your vegetables, or if you want any noodles, and then they will serve the proteins here. You can have beef, pork, chicken, or shrimp, your choice, or all of them. Sauces are chili or ginger. And after it's all hot, he'll plate it on your plate, and away you go. You do have a choice of fried rice or steamed rice, and that may be dependent on allergies if you have any. They're very accommodating here.
Medium, mild, spicy. Mild. All right, I got you.
Good, right in the front of us, entertainment for dinner. Hopefully there's not a big wind. I don't know how many of these guys have had their eyebrows singed, but it's a possibility, I'm sure. There we go. There's Mr. Wondering Canucks supper. Mine's next. Oh, he's getting his rice. Mr. Wondering Canuck says, looks great, I agree. And there's his fried rice. So stay tuned, give us a like. We're the Wondering Canucks.